Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create a poll on Instagram application. So the first thing you have to do, open your Instagram, and now let's jump into the Instagram story section. So whenever you open it, you just need to go into the profile section, or you can also jump into this plus button. But if you are in a profile section, you just need to go click this plus button right after your profile picture. And now you will have an access into this story part, and in this story part you just need to go click into the camera, and you just need to go create your story. And today I would like to use this layout, and I would like to choose the grid into this 2-frame. So now I would like to import the pictures on my photo collection. So I would like to ask my follower about the nails design that could be matched to me, and after that you just need to go click this part. Whenever you are ready to give them a questions to poll, you just need to go click this part right in the middle option of this feature, and now you just need to go click poll. Don't forget to add the question. Let me type it for you. And you can give the options, like you can also use emoticons to like pointing the picture on your story, for example this one, and the other one will be the opposite. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click it, and you can adjusting the size as well as the position of this poll by pinch with two of your finger and put it in the middle. If you don't want to cover the design, just make sure that you are bring it right into the blank space. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click add it to your story and wait until your follower is responding into this question. So that's the way how to create polls on Instagram, guys. So if you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.